Hey guys, it's Tanyabeautiful here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another video and I want to apologize for the setup. I know y'all already seen it in the previous video with my curly hair wig, but my camera is not working. It's pretty much done. So I'm recording on my cell phone. This setup right here. So I hope you guys do not mind. But yeah, I'm back again with another video, and as you guys can tell by that title and by the thumbnail, y'all already know what I'm going to be talking about. With that being said, let's get into it. I was contacted by a company by the name of Yiroo Hair, just a hair company based on Amazon, okay? And they sent me this hair to do a review on it, and I kind of wanted to do like an unboxing because I realized that on my channel I've gotten hair from companies and I haven't really done like an unboxing of the hair itself, so I'm gonna do that right now. As you guys can see, it's like a multicolored. However, there goes the company's name. This is the box, okay? And when you open it, okay, I cheated, okay? I already looked at the hair. I know what it looks like. So, don't mind that. Don't mind the exposure. Huh? The exposure of the hair in the pack. I already looked at it. But we're gonna just take it out like we didn't see that. And this is what the package looks like, okay? You get 6 packs of hair, okay? 6 packs. And a headband. Oh gosh. And this headband is pretty much like a braided headband with the plastic underneath. You can put it on your head like that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs of hair, plus the one that opened already, okay? This is usually what your pack looks like. I got the 1B30 because I wanted to try like a little bit of a color, not too much of a color, but a little bit of a color, right? Sorry. When you open it up, this is pretty much what the hair looks like. It's a 1B30, so it has like a little bit of like a golden brown in it. You see that? It's very similar to the passion twist, but it's a little bit more springy because it is water wave, if you notice, okay? And they give you 6 packs of it, so it'll be able to do like a full head of hair, okay? I would not recommend, if your hair is not this color, to go for that. However, there are people out there that like to do the two-toned twists, braids thingy. If that's what you like, then you could go for that, but this is pretty much what it looks like. It is about, I think, 18 inches. So if you look at it from top to bottom, and the ends are pretty nice and bouncy and curly. You could do like passion twist, you could do braids, box braids, or you could do like straight back braids and add this into it. It's that type of hair. A lot of people would maybe braid it in or twist it in, but technically, you know, it's made for like crochet, so that's why it comes on this. Like I said, you get 6 pieces of this, so it can do a full head of hair. And this hair retails for, hold on, does it? Oh Lord. So shout out to Yiroo Hair for sponsoring today's video. They are an Amazon-based company and they sent me their hair to do a review. However, today is just going to be the unboxing. I will be coming back with a hair video very soon, but this hair comes in different colors. It is meant for crochet and the hair does retail for $29.59. So definitely go ahead and check them out on Amazon. And it comes in different colors. It is based on Amazon. However, it's a great company. The hair, the quality is amazing. The color, bomb. The smell, no stench. You know what I'm saying? So definitely get on it. I will leave a link in the description box down below where you guys can go ahead and check out this hair. You can pick a different color if you want, but everything will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below, And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.